Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are replacing license plate bulb lights. So there's two bulbs on each side, one right here and one on the other side. You'll see. Right here and right here. And I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to change those two bulbs. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. So the items you'll need to do the light bulbs, a set of light bulbs. So we're actually using LEDs. We're going to convert it to cool white LED. This is Sylvania 168, but any light bulb, the factory manual shows that it's 2825, I believe, but they're all interchangeable. It's just different wattage and basically different brightnesses usually, but when you go switch to LED, it's all pretty bright without the heat. But you need that. I probably shouldn't throw the light bulb. Flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Okay, I couldn't find my trim removal tool, but I have just a plastic spatula style, and this will help us pop it out, pop off some of the molding trim. You can use that or a flathead screwdriver, basically. So there's also an access panel right here that you can pry up, and then that should give you access to the license plate lights as well. So then you don't have to remove this whole panel. So get your trim removal tool. Go to the driver's side. This is US model left-hand drive. You pry it from this side. So there's a little notch right here. This trim removal tool. There we go. There. Do you see how I slid it underneath? And then from here, you lift it up. And then you have to slide it that way towards the driver's side. Because this notch right here. So you can't pry it from this side. You have to pry it from the left driver's side. So this side. Pull it up like this, and then you slide it this way. There's two connectors right here. And these are basically the light sockets. So what you do is you twist this. So right now it's sitting this way. It's sitting at 3 o'clock. And you push it down to 6 o'clock. There. You spin it, 6 o'clock, and then this will slide out like that. Once this is out, you press this pin and it releases the plug. So go ahead and remove this light bulb. We're going to open up our new light bulbs right here. Grab the socket and then plug it in. So we're going to do the same to this side. Over here. So it's sitting at 3 o'clock. Move it down to 6 o'clock position. Right there. And then once it's at 6 o'clock position, you can pull this out. And then release the pin. And pull the light bulb out. And since we're using LED, we need to test to make sure it turns on. I don't want to put everything back together and then not turn on. But go ahead, once the new light bulb is in, connect it, and then let's turn on the lights. We're going to test it before we install. Okay, it looks like one of them is on. So this one is probably on backwards. So what we do is unplug it and then flip it. There. So these actually, they only go in one way because of the way LEDs work. Normal bulbs, like the factory bulbs, it doesn't really matter which way it goes in. But we have bright white LEDs. So let's go ahead and reinstall it. Put it in at 6 o'clock, rotate to 3 o'clock. Same with this. 6 o'clock, rotate to 3 o'clock. Done. Let's go ahead and reinstall the access panel. So remember, we have to slide this side in first. Once it's in, just press that panel back on. Done. Alright, well there you have it. That's how you change out the license plate light bulbs on a 2010 to 2013 Acura ZDX. Alright, thanks for watching.